Good morning, XRP community, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're waking up to a full-scale market correction across the crypto space. XRP is currently down 6.2%, trading at $2.11. Bitcoin has dropped to $104,000 with a 3.4% correction, and Ethereum is down 9% at $2,500. This is one of the strongest red days we've seen in recent weeks. And it's not just random volatility. The trigger, a military attack between Israel and Iran, which has escalated tensions in the Middle East and sent shockwave through global financial markets. We'll break it all down in this video. The geopolitical developments, their impact on crypto, and why. Even in a red market, XRP continues to build. There's big news today involving tokenized debt on the XRP Ledger, a confirmed $1 billion fund, and new connections between Ripple and major players like American Express and Coinbase. But before we dive in, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on all notifications so you never miss an update. Smash that like button if you're holding strong despite the dip, and drop a comment below with hashtag XRP to support the community. Now, let's get into the latest. Just 1 hour after news broke of an Israeli airstrike on Iranian targets, over $335 million in crypto positions were liquidated. The market reacted instantly, with panic selling across exchanges. This isn't limited to crypto either. Global equities are falling, oil prices have spiked 6%, and futures for the S&P 500 are down nearly 2%. This is the power of geopolitical instability. We've talked before about how a ceasefire between Russia and Ukraine could be a bullish trigger. Well, today we're seeing the opposite. As long as this conflict continues, market recovery will be difficult. But once things de-escalate, there could be significant upside potential. So what should we do during a crash like this? Pay attention to real development. Because while prices are falling, XRP's fundamentals are strengthening. The World Economic Forum has confirmed a $1 billion tokenized debt fund on the XRP Ledger. Yes, that's billion with a B. Debt is now being issued and tracked on-chain, directly through the XRP Ledger. This is the kind of real-world utility we always talk about. And it's happening now. Put this in perspective. The US currently holds $36 trillion in national debt. Tokenization could offer a more efficient way to manage, issue, and track that debt, and XRP Ledger is leading that movement. Just yesterday, U.S. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent stated that the national debt crisis must be resolved soon or it could trigger a recession similar to the one in 2008. That's how serious this is. Blockchain-based solutions could play a crucial role, and Ripple is positioning XRP Ledger at the heart of that solution. But there's even more happening. Coinbase has just announced a partnership with American Express to launch the Coinbase One card, offering up to 4% cashback in Bitcoin on all purchases. At first glance, this seems unrelated to XRP, but here's the link. American Express has been working with Ripple for years. They're one of Ripple's known institutional partners for cross-border payments. So while this new card focuses on Bitcoin rewards, the infrastructure behind it might also integrate with systems Ripple has helped develop. As mainstream finance embraces crypto, all these connections matter. Don't underestimate what's building behind the scenes. Let's recap today's key takeaways. The crypto market is in sharp decline after Israeli airstrikes on Iran. Over $335 million liquidated in 1 hour. Oil and global stock markets are also falling. XRP Ledger now hosts a $1 billion tokenized debt fund, confirmed by the World Economic Forum. Debt crisis looms, but XRP Ledger may offer real solutions. Coinbase partners with American Express for crypto cashback. AMEX is also a Ripple partner. Despite the red candles, XRP continues building. And when the market recovers, utility will matter more than ever. That's why it's crucial to stay informed and keep your eyes on what really drives value in the long term. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments. Do you think XRP's tokenization strategy is the future of finance? And how will this new war affect the global markets? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next update.